Hey everybody, Kevin Katros with Grand Design Lineage. I'm here in Colton, California, debuting the Lineage Series F by Grand Design. This unit's brand new to the market. We have done some really innovative things. Notice the Raptor front grille with the Rhino Line front bumper. We've actually augmented the suspension with Fox Racing tunable dual reservoir shocks. It has 10 different settings for 3 different driving conditions, so you can set it for towing, highway, or off-road. We've also added a 2-inch BDS radius arm with front and rear sway bars. This coach drives absolutely phenomenal. We give you a steel entry step covered with fiberglass and a skid plate, extended rear view mirrors, and then your wing walls underneath here is steel, right? We give you a flex point, and then everything is diamond shield coated, front end, wing wall, entry step, grab handle. This is our smoke exterior paint package. We offer 6 different graphics options and 3 different solid colors, white, smoke, or midnight. We give you the largest 40-inch TV, smart TV, integrated into your Rockford Fosgate system, all slam latch baggage doors, pass-through storage. You got 130 cubic feet of storage in this unit, and really big carrying capacity. 3,400 pounds of carrying capacity with 15,000 pounds of towing. 16-foot armless awning with a built-in LED light. And then we also illuminate the side rail with an LED light on both sides. Very clean, very cool look. We've gone to Sure Slides by Lippert. These are adjustable, both vertically and horizontally, and your rollers are all pinned in. Very smooth transition in and out. They've upgraded the motors. 40-inch slide here, 36-inch slide on the other side. 80 gallons of fresh water with 65 gallons of gray water and 45 gallons of black. Upper end storage here you can access from inside the unit underneath your bed. We give you a quick disconnect for a propane system, so if you want to run a grill or a fire pit, and then 20 gallons of propane fill bottle is here. Truma AquaGo Comfort hot water tankless, and then we give you 15,000 pounds of towing capacity. Bring all the toys, right? 1-piece fiberglass roof, 5 inches thick, molded down to 2 inches on the sides. This comes standard with 310 amp hours of lithium lithionics battery, 1,000 watts of solar on the roof, a 2,000 watt pure sine wave inverter. Driver's side here, we've got our power short cord reel. Dump station is all above the floor line in a heated bay. More storage on this side, like I said, 130 cubic feet of storage in the basement. Telescoping Lippert ladder, right? Sport rail on the top. Also comes standard with Starlink, as well as a Winegard 360. Welcome inside to the Grand Design Lineage 31ZW. At the entry door step, you've got all your control panels. So your master light on or off, power theater seats that run off 12 volt, 2 15,000 BTU Gree air conditioners with soft start capability and a dehumidifier built right in. It also has more of a residential style filter, right? And one of the quietest, ultra quiet ACs on the market. Solid surface countertops with countersunk sinks, residential faucets with Shark Bike PEX plumbing that comes with a 25-year warranty. Shaw flooring with a 7-year warranty. Little bottle washer or cup washer here at the sink. Convection microwave oven, 10 cubic foot refrigerator freezer. All the amenities that you're gonna love to enjoy while you're out camping. Huge bathroom. Auto sensing light on the floor, it'll come on as we move through here. Porcelain toilet, linear slotted drains in the shower, and then this comes with the optional washer dryer package, right? Full size residential. So you can get all that stuff done before you get home and you don't have to worry about the laundry, right? Also in the bedroom, 70 by 80 king size bed, very comfortable. Booth dinette that breaks down into a bed, and huge storage compartment, all dovetail construction by our production team in Middlebury, Indiana. Another Rockford Fosgate system inside, 12 volt smart TVs, and then up underneath here is where we're gonna house your power supply and router for your Starlink. Guys, that's the Lineage 31ZW by Grand Design. Come see us. take it for a test drive. You'll want to own one.